Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with the basics, a clean workspace and both tip sizes laid out so you don't mix them. Once ready, pause audio and hold the AirPod by the stem. Don't pull the speaker mesh. Grip the silicone tip at its base, twist gently while pulling straight outward to detach. You do this because the ring inside disengages when twisted, preventing damage. If the tip resists, ease pressure and try a slight back and forth to break the seal before a firmer pull. Now fit the replacement. Line up the oval opening with the nozzle and press straight on. You should push until you feel or hear a tactile click. This indicates the internal ring seated properly. Once attached, tug gently to confirm it's secure and rotate slightly to ensure an even seal. Make sure to test fit in your ear. A correct seal improves bass and active noise cancellation. If you feel movement, remove and reseat the tip, applying firmer, even pressure until it locks. Finish by wearing each AirPod and playing familiar audio to check fit and sound clarity. You should notice fuller bass and improved noise reduction with a good seal. If the fit is loose or uncomfortable, swap to the next size and repeat. If a tip refuses to attach or falls off, inspect both the nozzle and the tip's inner ring for debris or a torn lip. Clean gently with a dry, lint-free cloth and try again. When all set, test calls and volume to confirm normal operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.